So a couple reasons why I love HelloFresh is number one, it is so convenient. Everything is prepackaged and pre-portioned, gets delivered straight to my door. I do not have to worry about meal prepping, meal planning, making trips to the grocery store. We actually get HelloFresh quite often, and everything that we have had has been delicious. It's all chef curated, and they have options for everybody. There's low calorie options, vegetarian, family friendly. We usually do the family friendly ones. HelloFresh is also really flexible to fit your lifestyle. So if you want to add extra proteins or sides, you can totally do that. And you can also customize things like shipping dates, and if you need to skip a week for some reason, you can totally do that too. So these are the meals that we got this week: cheesy prosciutto wrapped chicken, and then pineapple pork meatloaves. This one looks really good. And mozzarella and herb chicken. So I love these cards. I usually end up saving them in a folder. The instructions are on the back. They're super easy to follow. Really anybody with any skill level can make these HelloFresh recipes.